All right, you guys, today we're going to practice doing metric unit conversions. So yesterday we learned about these 6 steps to doing metric unit conversions, and today I'm going to do 2 practice problems for you guys to watch. So first, the first practice problem we have is converting 32 meters to kilometers. So for step 1 of doing a metric unit conversion, we write what we have and what we want to know. And then we use the chart and find a relationship between the two. So we have 32 meters and we want to know how many kilometers that is. And hang on, sorry, I didn't realize it was windy. Okay, if we look at this chart, we want to find a relationship between meters and kilometers, right? So let's see. Meters are a unit of length. So if you look right here, we have 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer. That is the relationship that we're going to use to make this unit conversion. So 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Step 2. Write what we have as a fraction over 1. So we have 32 meters, and then we're just going to write that as a fraction over 1. Step 3. Write the relationship from step 1 as a fraction, where matching units are opposite from each other, top and bottom. So if you look at this relationship, we have 2 sets of units. We have meters and kilometers. And if you look at our first fraction and what we also have meters. So that means for step 3, when I write out this relationship as a fraction, I want the matching units, the meters and meters, to be opposite from each other, one on top and one on the bottom. Since meters is already on top for the first part of our relationship, our first part of this conversion, we want meters to go on the bottom, okay? Because we want them to be opposites. So then we take the other part of the relationship and place it on top of that fraction. Step 4, cross out the unit pairs. So by meters, you're gone. Step 5, multiply from left to right on both the top and bottom. 32 times 1 equals 32. 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. Then we're going to divide. 32 divided by 1,000 means we have to move our decimal point 3 places to the left. So that's going to look like 1, 2, 3. Fill in our blank spot with a 0, and our answer is 0.032 kilometers. Let's do another one. Oops, sorry, I'm holding the camera with my hand. You know how I am. All right, so for our second unit conversion, we want to convert 20 liters to milliliters. So we're going to go back to our metric conversion chart and find the relationship between liters and milliliters. Milliliters and liters are used to measure volume or capacity. So if you look under capacity, we can see that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So we're going to go ahead and write that right next to our problem. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to step 2. Write what we have as a fraction over 1. We have 20 liters, so 20 liters over 1. Next, we need to take our relationship and also write it as a fraction, but we want the matching units between what we have and our relationship to be on opposite ends of the fraction. So if what we have liters on top, when we write our second fraction using the relationship, we want liters to be on the bottom. So 1 liter, we're going to go ahead and throw it on the bottom, and then write the other half of the relationship on top. Perfect. Now we're going to cross out the matching unit pairs. Goodbye, liters. Excellent. Next up, multiply the top and the bottom from left to right. 20 times 1,000 is 20,000. 1 times 1 is 1. And then divide. 20,000 divided by 1 is 20,000. So it's 20,000, oops, missed a 0, milliliters. Just like that. Thanks for watching, guys.